Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. My name's Gary.Christiance, but you all know me as the van guy. Got more vans for you today. Brand new Pleasure-Way Lexor TS model. On a Dodge Pro-Ram chassis, 6-cylinder, front-wheel drive, goes through the snow like a breeze. Come on inside, I'll show you around a bit. Ultra leather, memory foam, very comfortable to sit in. It's a power assisted seat, and gosh, we just look up on this panel right here in front of me and it shows us how we can do everything. Check our holding tank capacities, do a generator start. Here's the one for the sofa in the back. Real easy to operate, easy to go through all the different ones. 12-volt TV, Bose soundbar, DVD player up here, power antenna, and you have plenty of storage throughout. Vents on both sides of the van. This is your front privacy screen, owner's box with all the information. More room all the way down the side. This is a movable table. It goes up in height, can be adjusted. We had a big keyboard on this. It weighed 50 pounds and it works. It does support a lot of weight. Solar panel controllers right here. 110 outlets on the end of the kitchen. Convection microwave down below. Flush mount stovetop. Got your little igniter button. Got a nice storage drawer below the convection microwave. Plenty of counter space, and look at that sink. Nice deep stainless steel sink. Solid surface counters. Got storage underneath. Countertop. It's got an electrical outlet here. Water pump's easy to get to. And since you're looking at me at the right angle, big refrigerator. Freezer up on top. You can adjust them however you want, take them out. You've got a lot of adjustments in here with all the different grooves. Bathroom. It's a wet bathroom. You've got your curtain that comes over here and velcros all the way down so you don't bother your medicine cabinet or your nice vanity with a solid surface countertop. Storage down below. Little rail there to keep all your soap and stuff in there. Towel bar. Got your LED lights. So what the difference is between the TS and an FL is the TS has this nice hanging space, place for the boards in the back to make a queen bed from twins, and 2 storage drawers down below. Notice the heavy duty hinges. How heavy duty are they? Pleasure-Way puts a 5-year warranty on their conversion. Anything they make, 5 years parts and labor. It's a family-owned company, been up in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan for a very long time. So the Dodge Pro-Ram chassis is one that is on a front-wheel drive. You have an absolute terrific view out the window. Your mirrors on both sides are controlled with a joystick, both the upper and lower mirror. You hit another button and the mirrors fold in, so if you're in a tight parking spot, you've got it handled. You don't have to worry about somebody knocking your mirror off. Automatic transmission. You can go into a manual mode if you want. Air conditioning on the dash as well as a roof air conditioner. It's got a generator. And the nice thing about this generator is you can program it to come on at a temperature setting or a voltage setting, and it'll do that until you tell it not to do it anymore. Very nice feature. Your main control panel is right here as you enter the unit. It's got this, basically the same thing as back there. Xantrax inverter, Truma system for heating the water. Let's go take a look around the outside. We'll turn off the whole unit right there. Got your electric awning up above. It has a receiver hitch here in the back. That's more for bikes, you know. Doesn't have much towing capacity, but great economy. It's 15 miles per gallon. There is your lithium battery system inside the unit, or it won't be affected by heat or cold, either one. This gives you a huge amount of power, and it's a very long-lasting battery. Screen package on the side door as well as the rear. It zips down in here. Backup camera is right up on top. Generator exhaust. This is the vent for your lithium battery. Exhaust for your propane heater. This is your Truma hot water heater. And your utility center, outdoor shower, fuel fill, and this is where you have your dump station. It's got a little sewer hose carrier right here. Pop it out, hook it up. Easy to reach valves. And I know you are going to have a question. You should ask the guy doing the video. And you can do that by calling me at 541-554-9581. Have a great day.